Are you currently experiencing difficulties with your back and need the pain to stop? Are you frustrated because your back pain is preventing you from doing the things that you want to do? Don't panic and trust your treatment to just anyone. When it's your body we're talking about, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a chiropractor that has the knowledge and experience to get you the help that you need as soon as possible. We would love to help you. We will offer you a thorough consultation and get you on the road to recovery as quick as possible. Isn't it about time that you got back to doing the things you love? You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.